Hello and welcome to Data Legos. In this video we will discuss about database setup for testing. Another key part of testing is having a test database that is separate from the production database. Why? The production database contains sensitive real user information, we can't risk breaking it. A test database allows us to create special cases, like empty tables, or very large datasets, to check performance. It ensures repeatable testing, we can reset the database and run the same test multiple times with consistent results. Example, suppose we're testing a student portal. The test database might contain fake accounts like eTestStudent1 or SampleUser2. When we run login tests, the UI checks against this dummy database instead of real students. Key takeaway, the test database copies the structure of the real one, but only holds fake data. How UI connects to TestDB. During development, applications usually connect to different databases depending on the environment, development a local database on the developer's machine. Testing a test database with dummy data. Production the live database with real user data. Example, imagine we're testing a login page. Instead of checking real customer data, the login form sends a request to the test backend. The test backend looks up the details in the test database and responds with success or failure. This setup ensures that developers can safely verify UI features like login, sign up, and form submission without risking real users' data. Benefits of a separate TestDB. Having a dedicated test database comes with many benefits, it allows safe experiments. Developers can try out queries or new features without fear of breaking production. It makes debugging easier, since we can test in isolation. It saves costs and protects reputation, no customer is harmed by buggy tests. It supports automation, since automated test scripts can run on dummy data without cleaning up production systems. Analogy, think of a test database like a mock exam before the final exam. It helps you practice, make mistakes, and improve, without real consequences. Best practices in testing environments. Here are some best practices to follow for testing environments. Always keep test data separate from production data. Automate repetitive test cases, saves time and catches issues faster. Include edge cases, like empty inputs, wrong passwords, or invalid emails. Refresh dummy databases regularly so test results are consistent. Document all test APIs and databases clearly so the whole team can use them. Following these best practices ensures testing is reliable, consistent, and useful for both developers and businesses. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.